In today's video, we're taking a look at ELEGOO Rapid PLA Plus Filament. And this is something I purchased myself simply because I was looking for a brown filament and I thought, you know what, I'm going to try a brand I've never used before. So I picked up some ELEGOO. I've used their resin, but I've never used their PLA before. And right off the bat, I'd say their PLA looks good and feels good, but I actually didn't have much success actually using it. So here is the final prints I put out. And these are quite complicated shapes to work with, a little bit of supports as well at the back there. And I did have a few issues, but it's on the top surface that I did have some big problems where there actually is visible holes where it just wasn't able to do a great job of filling in. Now I've used other filaments doing these before and they work out really quite good. So I do think there's a little bit of failure here with the prints, but still overall, most of it does look really good. But I'll give them major props for the color. This is exactly what you want when you order a brown, and it's got no transparency to it at all. They make very nice solid objects. And I think overall for simpler objects, this is going to be brilliant. And I'm certainly going to use up all of this in future projects. So that is a look at ELEGOO's Rapid PLA Plus Brown Filament. And I think that it's not perfect. However, I think it's still a very good quality PLA. And I'll just be choosing what to print in brown and not based on what the shapes are. And I think I'll probably have a very good time with this filament.